How to connect Messenger to Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Messenger. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left, and then click on the setting gear icon at the top right. On this page right here, scroll all the way down to the Meta Account Center and click on it. You will get to this page right here, in which from the account settings section, you want to click on accounts and then click on add accounts. And as you can see right here, it shows you your Instagram, so click on continue, and then it will tell you some stuff right here about this feature. You can go through it, and once you're done, click on yes, finish adding. And let's wait for them to be connected. And once that's done, you will see that your Instagram account has been connected to your Messenger. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can connect your Messenger account to your Instagram account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.